night brush. For some reason these boys didn't want to wear a shirt today, so I don't mind. I need to take off my shirt though. Not yet. Alright. Okay. Twice a day, every day, for 2 minutes. And we're making sure that our boy, look at that nose. He's gonna get a good night rest, but making sure that sneaker clean. Hey, baby. This is not fun. Not easy. But it's worth it. There's love. Looking like Rudolph. I'm trying, but I can do all I can. Good job. Done. Now we floss. Oh yes, they sound so happy. Open, please. Gosh.
You get this thing and not be right.
Don't touch nothing. Open, 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 open. Open. Very good. Night brush. Now with my baby boy, yes, we have our different toothpaste. Ben? Twice a day. Every day. For 2 minutes. Stop. Just relax. This is too tight.
Dad.
How your brother is with haircuts is how you are with toothbrushing. And at least a haircut is like every other week. Spit. Come on. Stop. There we go. We always have to lift that lip and take a look at those teeth. Very good. Let's floss. Long enough. Open. I always wonder who will floss my teeth when I get older. This is hard. Oh, we got a loose tooth right there. Tooth fairy's gonna come, actually. Morning brush. Alright, we got Kim's own stuff right here. Still looking like Rudolph, but he actually slept breathing through his nose, so that's good. Well, that means he slept over 10 hours, so we gotta make sure we're doing our part on all phases. And now that I've gotten an inclination that it's getting better, kinda, I am gonna change his tooth. Open. Okay, done. Now we floss. This is long enough. Open. Always want to look in your children's teeth once a day. This is how we fight cold. Always, I don't understand how people have colds and keep using that same toothbrush. Done. Morning brush. Got a baby boy. 2 minutes. Open. Open. Very good. We're brushing before 30 minutes, so who knows? Can you bring your teeth together, please? Can you bring your teeth together a little bit? Spit. Come on. Good. Spit. Done. Now we floss. That's enough. Come on. Open. Done.